So now what I'm going to do is I put some of our micas in each of the four containers here. And what I'm going to do is, it's just dry right now, just dry powder. I'm going to add a little bit of the oil that I had pulled off the olive oil we just poured a few seconds ago. And I'm going to put some in each of the colors. Get the rest of that out of there. Okay, so I use, to stir these with, I just have wooden coffee stirrers and the occasional chopstick that goes in each one. And we just stir those up. And what you just want to do is incorporate the powdered mica into the oil that we put in there. Kind of break up, if there's any clumps, break those up. Make sure the mica is well wetted. I don't think you have to do this step. I'm sure there's a lot of soapers out there that make soap that don't actually do this step, but this is the way I do it. You can see that's now pretty well wetted. So I'll just go ahead and stir the rest, both of the other two colors. So now we'll put those aside until we have the soap batter ready to go.